is yet another breach of peace on the plateau, and this time as 23 commuters were attacked and killed, allegedly by suspected Irigwe youths, a situation that sparked wide condemnation amongst residents.
It's uncivilized, barbaric, and obviously there is no any religion that will accept that kind of disposition of people.
It's very, very sad what happened yesterday. Attacking drivers that are on journey, killing them. And we are disappointed.
Very, very unfortunate. So we in Plateau said here, when are we going to learn? We cannot learn our lesson.
With accusations and counter-accusation on both sides regarding the heinous act, the people want government to put more effort in ending their attacks.
You know, that area is a cosmopolitan area. There are a lot of tribes that are staying there. But the most unfortunate part of the whole thing is there was an activity that was taking place yesterday. Irigwe people were burying their people. And these people ran into them, and that thing happened. Therefore, whether we like it or not, there ought to be an accusation finger on Irigwe people.
So help and stop all this killing in this area. If Fulani are attacking them, let them go to the bush and feed them out, than stopping those that are on the journey.
Spokesperson of the Operation Safe Haven confirmed 21 suspects have so far been arrested in connection with the incident, as troops are on trail of the others who took part in perpetrating the heinous act. Although there is relative calm in the affected areas following the imposition of curfew by government, citizens hope that those responsible for any killing and disturbance of peace in the state will be brought to book, as all lives are sacred and no man has the right to take another's life.